Given the age of homes in the East Bay area, it's no surprise when Hayward, California homeowners need water service line replacements. After all, the age of your water line is one of the main reasons why you may need to have the line replaced. However, age alone is not the only reason to be aware of. If the water pressure in your home is poor and doesn't seem to be improving, it could be due to the water service line. There could be debris in the water line affecting the pressure. Is the water from your faucet crystal clear, or does it have a brown, red, or even yellow tint? Anytime your water is no longer clear, it is cause for concern. When a water service line has aged and has debris or cracks in it, it could allow dirt to get into your water, leading to discoloration. Often, certain remodels in your home may require that you upgrade your water service line to be up to code. For those in the Hayward, California area, Avalon Rooter is here for all your water service line replacement and other plumbing needs. Call us today to schedule a free quote.